So welcome to Mama Wangoi or Mama Tracy's Motors. Today we have a very good car we are selling at affordable price. We are selling this car at affordable price. Yes, this is one of the motors that is in the market, a pickup that you can go with it in a shaba for those who are mkulima. So welcome. Guys, this is the pickup of Mama Wangoi and Mama Tracy Motors selling. At affordable price. It's very brand new and very legit. You can come and take it at affordable prices. Yes, we have this one. This is the only one and it's going for a market. This is a Toyota Hilux, the new model. So you are most welcome. Thank you. In the pickup, you see it has a very good gear. It's affordable and very pricey. Thank you. It is very good and very spacious for a big family. You are most welcome.